Siya ay binansagang Triggerman at ngayon siya ay isang rising Filipino boxing prospect na lumalaban sa middleweight division at may impressive record, 12 wins at lahat ay by knockout.
Natira. Mahirap yan. Baka hindi na tumayo to, partner.
Nahirapan na kaagad itong si Castillo.
Wala na to.
Binigay niya na yung laban. And that is a first round knockout.
At ang tagumpay ni Mindoro ay may hambing natin sa mga world champions katulad lang ni Gervonta Davis sa super featherweight at light welterweight at gayon din kay Gennady Golovkin or mas kilalang Triple J sa middleweight division na ang unang 12 fights nila ay lahat panalo by knockout.
Second one drop saves over his opponent.
Hurt him with a right uppercut. Right uppercut hurt him really bad, Jack.
He's wobbled Monroe again.
Yeah, right
He's
uppercut.
got him against the ropes.
Oh, right uppercut hurt him really bad. The hook just hurt him even worse. He's out of here.
Third knockdown.
Bago lumaban ng mga banyagang fighters si Triggerman Mindoro, nilabanan muna niya ang siyam na kapwa Pinoy fighters at lahat nito ay tinalo
The
by
punches of
knockout.
Mindoro to the body of Castillo and using that opponent to the ropes, to the body. And itong Castillo bumabawi
Palitan, partner,
naman.
ano? Kaya lang, mas well-refined itong si Wiljan Mindoro. No?
At ito na nga nagiging magand ni Mindoro sa laban na to. And ito naman si Castillo.
Well, parang ano yan eh. Parang Mike Tyson style lang gawin mo dyan, no? Wave ka. Atake, lapit, atake, kanan. Yan, kita mo. Kanina pa yung body na yan. Medyo bumigay yung pangatlo, pangapat na tira. Mahirap yan. Baka hindi na tumayo to, partner.
Nahirapan na kaagad itong si Castillo.
Wala na to.
Binigay niya na yung laban.
Good combination there. Combination there. Ikira having a trouble.
Whoa, eyes.
Ang puti, masikan na lang, bro.
Noong January 12, 2023, nilabanan ni Mindoro ang isang Indonesian fighter na si William Rick na may record 20 wins and 6 wins by knockout. Ngunit ang laban nila ay tinuldukan ni Mindoro sa round 3 by knockout. Dating super welterweight champion na si Takeshi Inoue dumayo pa sa Pinas para labanan ng ating kababayan. Ngunit ang laban nila ay nagresulta sa isang draw.
Get
Good
stumbled.
overhand.
You were saying?
Yes, like I
Inoue
said,
stumbled.
And that rocked in a way. And usually when the knockout artist sees that opportunity, he pounces on it. Oh, but they overhand.
2 losses on his record. The way that he lost was by decisions only. So he has not been knocked out yet.
in that for Mindoro. Oh, the overhand that landed because again getting that distance, and this might be.
He found the distance. Now he's really trying to get right in there with Mindoro.
And the blood just oozes out.
Ooh, Inoue hit
With
left
the
hand.
hook and overhand. And now he's just trying to press overhand again from
He does
Inoue.
not want this fight to go longer due to if it stops on a cut.
Both corners.
Nitong July 10, 2024 lamang, pinatikim ng ating kababayan ng second round knockout ng isang fighter. Kaya ang debut fight ni Mindoro sa Amerika ay isang matagumpay.
Probably the best plan in case of attacks from Mindoro. You guys talk about it all the time. Good shot from Mindoro. Down goes Good John. Popping up a little too early. Good John has the 8 count. He should have took his time to probably stay on one knee. Let's see if he holds. He probably should hold here. Such thing as being too tough for your own good. Good John getting into a firefight. Doesn't have his like second knockdown of round number 2.
He's going to take his time here. Let's see.
I was going to say, going punch for punch with a puncher like Mindoro, not a good idea for Good John.
Legs aren't under him. Could this be it?
How much time does he have? He's got 30 seconds, 25 seconds. Let's see if he's able to get out of the round.
A couple more clean shots, and referee's going to step
He may
in.
have to hold here. Let's see if he holds.
Body shots, too.
The holding
Trying to
time.
punch in between. Can't knock the heart of Good John.
Trying to fight fire with fire, and it's over.